Now, in this video, we're going to take up one more problem on projections of lines, the problem number 78. The problem reads as the top view of a 75 mm long line, capital AB, measures 65 mm, while the front view is 50 mm. Its one NDA is in HP and 12 mm in front of VP. Draw the projections of capital AB and determine its inclinations with HP and VP. So this is the problem. So here, how to solve this by using AutoCAD. So to do that, first we'll go for AutoCAD screen, switch off the grid mode and switch on the ortho mode. Now we go for command limits. Specify lower left corner 0, 0, upper right corner 297, 210. Then zoom all. Then go to line. Select some arbitrary point on the lower left corner of your screen. Take some distance and click on the first button of the mouse. Again, you take the cursor to the top side, take some distance and click on first button of the mouse. You go to offset. Take the distance as 297. Select this vertical line and offset to the left side, and then go to offset. Take the distance as 210. Select this horizontal line and offset to the top side. Then go to zoom expense and zoom 0.6x. Then go to fillet between this vertical line and this horizontal line. Similarly between these two and similarly between these two. Now just go to layer. Go to layer. Click on new. Type the layer by name XY. Type the layer again, click on new. Type the layer by name front view FV. Enter. Click on new. Type the layer by name top view. Enter. Click on new. Type the layer by name true length. Enter. Type the layer by name locus. Once you do that, now we have. Okay, now we go for layer 0, the line weight as 0.05 because all the projector lines will be of 0.05 which contains in layer 0. Layer X file will contain the line weight as 0.13. Okay, the front view line weight will going to be 0.5. Okay, the top view line weight will also be equal to 0.5. Then the true length will going to have 0.3 and the locus line will also have 0.05. Once you do that, then you click on the layer line type of locus. So all the locus lines should be of dash dot. So we have to assign that line type to that locus line layer. So it should be dash dot. So by default, we will be always having the continuous line type. So you just click on load, take the cursor here, type D dash dot, and again you click on OK. So the dash dot is going to be loaded into the line type. Then you just click on dash dot and say OK. Then it will going to be changed here. Then you go to the true length and you will change the index color of 30. And then the top view should contain red color. And then the front view should contain the magenta color. And say OK and say close. Now we will going to create this drawing now. So to create this drawing, first you are going to draw the XY line and offset that line by 12 mm to the downward direction. So then go to line, take the, first we are going to draw a horizontal line of any distance and go to offset, take the distance as 12 and you select this and offset to the bottom side. Then go to line, take nearest point on this and draw perpendicular to this. So you're going to get this line and go to front view, sorry, fillet between these two. Now what we need to do is, so we need to have I will make the front view line parallel. Then you are going to get the true length in the top view. So to do that, so what is the front view? You make that front view line which is 50 mm. So offset this line by 50 mm and make it parallel. And then in the top view, you are going to get the true length. The true length is given to be 75. So from here, you draw an arc to cut it on this. So to do that, so go to offset, take 50 mm parallel. Sorry, go to offset, take the distance as 50. Select this line and offset here. Then go to circle, take INT of this and take the radius as 75. So to do that, so you type 75. So you're going to get extend this line till here. So you're going to get this break on this here and similarly on this side. So now we have the line, take int of this, so you get the true length line here. So that we are going to get, then go to extend this till here. So now we have now we want to have the top view. The top view is 65. So you just go to circle, take int of this and take the radius 65. Then go to line, take int of this and take intersection point of this. So now you just go to trim between these two and here. So you will going to get this, and the top view line is parallel, its corresponding front view will going to be in the true length. Then go to line, take int of this, take line int of this and draw a vertical line, and so this will going to get the true length line. So to do that, so you take 75 there, go to circle, take int of this, take the radius 75, then go to break this circle in counterclockwise direction like this. Similarly, go to erase this, then go to line, take int of this and take a intersection point of this and draw a horizontal line, and similarly extend this till here on this boundary. Then go to trim this line till here. So now we have the top view. Once you get this, then your front view true length will be having that. Then from here you take intersection part of this, then go to line, take int of this and take intersection point of these two, and this line when you join, both will going to be on the same line. So then go to trim between this line and this line. So you trim this side arc and also on this side arc. Then go to erase this line, then go to zoom window, you take this. Now you go for a break this line till here, and you break this from here on this side. Similarly, this locus line you break it here, and similarly on this side you break it. Similarly on this side you break, and also from this side you break it. Then go to erase this and erase this. Now we will go for changing the layers. So you just click on these two, go to layer, make that as locus and go to line type scale factor as 10. Next you go for a true length on this side and also on this, make that layer as a true length and switch on the line weight display. Then go to this line, make that layer as top view. Then you click on this side and make that layer as front view, and then you click on this line and you make that layer as XY. So once you do that, now we are going to change the dimensioning variables. So to do that, so go to DDIM, then go to modify, then go to this angular degrees, make it second decimal point, and this as precision as 0, text height as 3, align with the dimension line, above, offset from the origin as 2. Then go to symbols and arrows, take the arrow size as 3, then go to lines, take the offset from the origin as 2, OK, and say close. Now we go for the you take this direction and also this direction. So to do that, so go to leader. So first you switch off this, go to nearest point on this and tangentiate to that arc, annotation option. Then go to leader, take nearest on this. Here you take tangential to that arc, annotation option none. Then go to ortho on, then go to leader, take nearest on this, annotation option none. Then go to leader, take nearest on this, take annotation option none. Then go to explode this line, this line, this line, and this line. Then go to erase these two, and you erase this line and this line. Now we need to go for dtext now. So to do that, so go to dtext. So click on this, take the height as 3 and you mark this as X and you mark this as Y. this as VP, and this as HP, and this as capital A, and this also as capital A, this as capital B, and this as locus of B, and here also you make this as capital B, this as locus of B, and here you have small a, this as small b, this as a dash, this as b dash, and here this will be b1 dash. So we make this as b1 dash, and this as b1, and this as b2, and this as b2 dash. Then you just go to dim, take int of this, take intersection point of this, so we're going to get it as 12 mm. Similarly, int of this, so you switch off this and take intersection point of this, so you're going to get 50. Then go to escape, then go to break this line till here, then dim, then go to int of this and take intersection point of this, the true length, so which is going to be 75. Then go to top view, so here take int of this and take intersection point of this, so you're going to get it as 65. So now we need to go for angular, select between these two, so you're going to get it as text 29.93. so text is 29.93 theta, yes. So you just go to text, give space, enter, and you place it wherever you want. Then again go to angular, select between these two, so go to text 48.45, yes, give space, enter, so you take it here. Similarly, angular, select between these two, so they go to text 48.19, 48.195, yes, so you give space, enter, so you take it here. Again go to angular, select between these two, so you go to text 59.32, so 59.32 beta, yes, so you give space, enter, so you place it wherever you want. Then go to mtext, so come down to mtext, so you select this, so here this will be small letter, sorry, go to formatting, come down to a symbol, come down to symbol, type A alpha, then you go to copy this here, and similarly here and here, so go to dd edit, so this will going to be q, small q theta, and this will be small f phi, and this will be small letter b beta. Once you do that, now we go for move command, move this and place it wherever you want, VP, then you want HP, so here Y, then I want to move this A dash here, and this should be capital A, and this should be B dash, this should be B1 dash, this should be B2 dash here, and this will be locus of B, and this will be capital B. Then we have small a, and this as capital A, and this as B, and this as B1, so it will move it out. This will going to be the locus of B, and this will be B1, and everything has been moved. So now I need to go for changing the colors, so you just go to A dash, B dash, B2 dash, locus of B, B1 dash, go to layer, change that layer to front view, So similarly, take A's and also B's. Here. Go to color, make that color as blue. So you take this A dash, make that layer as front view. Then similarly, A, B, B1, locus of B, B2 and HB. Go to layer, make that layer as top view. Now we have changed everything. Now we need to write the answers now. So to do that, go to the text. So here you type answers. So you just go to line, switch on the ortho mode and draw a horizontal line and then draw a vertical line. Now first we are going to get it as 48.45. Go to the text. So you take 48.45 percentage D. So you just go to move, switch off this and you place it wherever you want. Then go to zoom window, then go to layer. So put on the ortho mode on, take endpoint of this and here you go to line, take nearest on this. So you take this, then go to move this nearer to this, then go to fillet between these two. Now we'll go for offset, take the distance as 6. So you take 2, you take 3 and you take 4. Then go to copy this, multiple copying, 2, 3 and 4. Then you just go to 59.32 degrees, DD edit, 59.32 degrees, 59.32. Then the next one is 29.93. So you take 29.93 and then the next one is 48.19, 48.19. Then go to trim, select this as the cutting edge and this as the object to trim. Now first we need to copy this as alpha. So you take this alpha here. Then we need to take beta. You take beta here. Then theta and phi. So here copy theta and here phi. So this is how you will be able to complete this drawing by using AutoCAD software. So here only one thing which we have done, you just click on this. This has changed to layer front view, so that should be 0. So you just go through that. So if I have committed a mistake, you can always have a look at it and then we can change it. So this is how you will be able to get the final solution for this particular problem by using AutoCAD. Thank you.